Hey everybody, Scott Pierce here at Listings to Leads, and I want to talk on Kelly Wheeler's post here in the mastermind group from the other day. And he's killing it, 16 leads, and the lender's ISA is calling him $1.55 per lead. Used to do this at $3 per lead, so this is absolutely awesome. And so a lot of good stuff here in the comment. I'll make sure I link to the comment from this video as well. And one of the things that really, I liked what Kelly said here. And let's get down. So someone was talking about, getting all the leads and responses from leads. And Kelly said, and this is like, I couldn't have said it better myself, really, right? It's in your response to the leads. So not many of them are going to want to buy or sell right that day. Hey, some will, and that will happen at some points, and that's awesome. Even had a client the other day in the mastermind group talk about that. Somebody listed within a couple of days. But more typically, it's really what Kelly says here. And so we've got a lot of PDF reports in our system. I'm going to show you. We talked about adding or offering value, right? And so to that point, I want to mention here. So in Listings to Leads, go to the landing page tab, and for any landing page, click on edit, and that's going to bring up the live editor. All right, so it's one of my landing pages. Click on the advanced options button, and under autoresponders right here, if you scroll down where it says attach report, and this is what John Briley used to get, I believe, like a 10 or 30% response rate from his database. Got buyers out of it, got sellers out of it. He sent one of these reports to his database, and so I'm telling you, right? Check all these out we got. They're all branded to you, and so you can just select one, click the download button, and it will come up. And so they're all different. They're all different topics. Some are for buyers, some are for sellers. They're all branded to you. But you can use these and send these to your database. You can download it and then upload it to your CRM, to your database, whatever you're using. We're integrating all of this stuff within Listings to Leads, so you'll be able to do that from Listings to Leads at some point, hopefully soon. Actively working on that, really integrating these reports a lot further inside of our system. But so check this out. If you ever have any comments or thoughts to these, send them our way. I'd love to take a look at any feedback you've got on these reports. But as you can see, man, we've got a lot of them, all right? And, I'll tell you one I like, home seller negotiations, home seller report. I like some of the more kind of, I'm not sure what we want to call like nuanced, technical stuff, 5 dangers of overpricing, all right? Because some of these things, home seller negotiations I like, because it's things that the seller may not be thinking about, right? They may never even thought of it. It's one of those things like, oh wow, never thought about how the negotiations go, what are some of the pitfalls and pros and cons of all that kind of stuff. So anyways, check that out in your landing page section. Every landing page will have those reports available to it that you can use in the autoresponders in and of themselves, obviously. But right, when you're generating buyer leads, you're generating seller leads, integrate some of these PDF reports into those follow-ups, right? Offer those PDF reports in your follow-ups, and I think you'll get some really good feedback from them. So if you have any questions on this, obviously let support know. Let me know in the video, and we'll talk to you soon.